Deskerxizer. Weight training at your desk. Anytime, immediate upper body workout.
I can work like crazy and exercise at the same time.
No more excuses. Make those shoulders strong at your desk. 2 pulley system allows you to place the weight holder and travel guide anywhere in your office. Overhead pulley system rated up to 500 pounds. Ab crunches during business hours.
I feel alive and energized.
Give your back a 50-pound stretch every day. Long hours in the office? Too tired for the gym? Work out even on the phone. Stand up and work on your triceps. Enjoyable, simple, effective, uses no space. Small office? No problem. If you have 1 square foot available, you can install Deskerxizer. Change weight in a snap. Deskerxizer uses standard weights. Convenient desktop app displays real-time force, series rep counter, reps today, reps this month, exercise selector, workout history, accelerometer, and more. Deskerxizer keeps track of your daily workout details, date, time, reps, exercise, month, and year summary. The app offers comprehensive system configuration options.
Workout, workout. Workout, workout.
Too immersed to remember? It is easy to set reminders, trust me. They will make you go for your next series.
Stay healthy, my friends. See you next time in better shape.